Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be saying something amazing. We are going to be talking about how you can clean your email list and how to make sure that your email list is as clean as possible. If you've been trying to do email marketing for your business and you notice that your open rate is actually very low, or when you send out emails it just looks like as if you're talking to yourself, yes, this video is for you. And today we are going to be talking about how we can keep a clean email list, not trying to build a massive list, but trying to keep a healthy one. It is actually good to create a massive list or to get a massive list, but at the same time we need to create or we need to keep an healthy list. Yeah, I've worked with different clients, and when we tell them that we want to clean their list, we are going to delete some subscribers, it raised some kind of red flag with them because they feel like, why are we deleting subscribers? And I'm like, it is okay for you to delete subscribers. If you see anybody that is not supposed to be in your email list, you need to take them off. And I know that it is kind of personal and emotional for some people. When they try to delete people from their email list, they feel like, their list is going to be reduced. Yes, it is going to be reduced, but at the same time it is going to be a healthy list. So I know a lot of people avoid cleaning their email list because they are scared they are going to lose subscribers, and I just wanted to know that it is okay for you to lose subscribers. Yes, it is. And because we are trying to keep a healthy list, we have to make sure that anybody that do not belong to our list is taken off. When people stop opening your emails or stop interacting with your emails, all of these email providers, they notice, and when they notice, they will think that the subscribers you are trying to send those emails to do not want your emails. So that is why you need to keep a healthy list. So a dirty email list is not just about fake emails or having incorrect emails in your email list. Most times having a dirty list is having people on your contact list who do not want to hear from you, or having people who have not been engaging with your content for a while, or having email contacts that no longer exist. So having a dirty list is not just about having fake emails in your email list. Most times having a dirty list is just you having contact that do not want to interact with your content again, or contact that just got a freebie from you and they disappeared, and also contact that no longer exists. Yeah, you need to take off all of this from your email list to be healthy. If you keep sending emails to these people, you are basically telling the inbox providers that your content is not valuable, and when you raise this flag, it is just going to make these inbox providers put all of your content in spam because they believe that their users do not need these emails. So before you remove anyone, I know that it is kind of emotional to take off people from your email list, and I do understand, but before you take off anyone, you can export your whole email list into an Excel file or an Excel sheet. Yeah, just keep it there for safekeeping, then you can start the cleaning process. And also, just to be on the safer side, so if you delete anybody you are not supposed to delete, you can refer back to your Google Sheets. And also, if you are going to do this cleaning process, I want you to take off emotion and just do this straight on. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to check all of those people who have not engaged with your content in the last 90 days, and you are going to check for those people who have also not engaged in your content for the last 180 days. If you have people who have not opened a single email since you start sending emails to them, you also want to put them in a different segment. And also, when you put them in this segment, we are going to give them one chance, or the last chance, to stay in our email list. So we are going to give them this chance by creating a re-engagement campaign. And when you segment all of those particular subscribers into this segment, you can put them in this re-engagement campaign. So it can be a 3-sequence email whereby you send a first email to ask them if they are still interested in hearing from you. Then the second email, you can ask them what kind of email they want to hear from you, or what kind of email they want to get from you, or the kind of topics they would like to hear from you. And the third email can be you notifying them that if you do not hear from them, you are going to take them off your list. Then when you send this re-engagement campaign to all of the people in this segment, anyone that opens the email, anyone that click on the email, and anyone that replies, you keep them. And anyone who do not reply, or anyone who do not open at all, you take them off your list. Yeah, I know that is hard, especially if you have a lot of people that do not respond to your email. If you do not want to take them off your list, it is understandable. You can add them to another segment, and in this segment you are not going to message those people on that segment. Yeah, I know this is hard to do, Yeah, but we just need to do it. And the second thing you want to do after adding the re-engagement campaign is to notice every ad bounce that you get when you send out these emails. So if you keep sending out your email campaigns and you notice there are some ad bounce, you need to take them off your list immediately. You do not need to send them a second email. You need to take them off immediately from your list. So the ad bounce happens if the emails do not exist. If the emails you are trying to send your campaigns to, if those emails do not exist, a hard bounce is going to happen. And when a hard bounce happens multiple times, it is going to affect your sender domain reputation, and we do not want that for you. And that is why you need to take off your ad bounce immediately. So to check your ad bounce, you can go into the analytics of your email marketing software. If you check the analytics, you are going to see the opens, the clicks, you are going to see the soft bounces, the ad bounces, you are going to see the spam compliance. You are also going to see what's the last one? I think, yeah, the replies also. So remember that if you are having ad bounces, you need to take them off. Although soft bounces are kind of different from ad bounces, and that is because soft bounces just maybe the users or the recipient is having small issue for some time, just is a temporary issue. Maybe they are just having temporary issue and they are going to resolve that issue. You just need to like hold on and do not send to the soft bounces for a while. Then you hold on and see, maybe later, maybe 1 month later, just to check if those issues have been resolved. Then if you see that those soft bounces are no longer soft bounces, then you can continue sending emails to them. But if you notice that there are still soft bounces after you tested it a month later, then you need to hold on from sending emails to them. So another thing you want to do is to set up automation that will automatically clean your list. If you have a main master list, you need to set up automation for that list and say that if there is anyone that is not interacting with your content or interacting with your emails for 6 months at a stretch, you need to take them off that list. Most email marketing softwares allows you to create automation. So you can set up the automation, and the trigger can be if there have not been any opens in the last 6 months, then you need to add them to the re-engagement campaign. So this is going to take off the manual process from you, and you do not even need to do a lot of manual work, since the automation has been set up and all of this process is going to be automated. So if they've not interacted with your content for the last 6 months or the last 1 year or even years, you can take them off to a particular list, or you can add them to the re-engagement campaign, or you can ask the system to delete those contacts. Yeah, so you can set up all of this automation, and it is going to run on its own and the particular time that you've set it at, and yeah, this process is going to be automated. So the next thing you want to do after you've done this, or after you set up this automation, is to set up the double opt-in. Yeah, I know most people do not like double opt-in because of the process behind it. So double opt-in just allows you, or allows your email marketing software to send a confirmation email to your subscribers if they would like to be added to your list. So let's imagine that CRM instructor is sending out campaigns to our subscribers. A double opt-in is just going to allow a confirmation email to be sent out to the subscribers. So when they fill in a form, or when they fill in our form on our website, a confirmation email is going to be sent to the subscribers to let them know if they would like to be added to our list. And if they click on yes and they confirm their email, the emails will be added to the list. This process is kind of tedious, especially most people will not open the confirmation email. If they open and they confirm their email and they join your list, it is going to build a very healthy list. It is going to prevent fake emails, it is going to prevent bots and all of those people that are not interested in what you do. It is going to prevent them from entering your list. I know this is actually a very rigid process, but it is rigid, but it is actually very good for your business if you can do it. So another thing you want to do is that you want to clean your list regularly. You need to take up 1 day in a month that you will set aside to clean your list. So you can pick maybe the last day of the month, you can pick the beginning of the month, or even the middle of the month, and you can pick a particular day where you are going to clean your list thoroughly. You are going to check for the unsubscribes, you are going to check for the ad bounces, and you are going to delete every one of them, or you can export them to an Excel file. Another thing you need to do is to erase the mindset that small list is not going to help your business. Having a smaller healthy list is going to help your business than having a massive dirty list. So you need to take off this mindset of you do not want to clean your list because you are going to lose subscribers. Yeah, have the mindset that I am losing subscribers that do not want my content. I am losing subscribers that are not interested in my business. I am losing subscribers that do not want to hear from me. So when you have that mindset, it is going to shape how you are going to clean your email list better. So you should remember that email marketing for your business is not all about all the people or the number of people you have on your email list. It is about the quality of people you have on your email list. And do not be afraid to clean your list. Do not be afraid to delete all of those people that are not engaging in with your emails. Do not be afraid to delete all of those people who said, you know what, take me off your list. I do not want to be on your list. Do not be afraid to take them off your list. It is okay. It is healthy to do that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also share to everyone you think is going to need this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.